this program. It's not like nanotechnology, it's not like material science. Here we lay emphasis more on medicine. It involves training them into design, synthesis and characterization of nanomaterials, which are widely used as delivery vehicles to deliver different kind of drugs, so that they can go out and solve any healthcare challenges which are there in the industry.
The strength of our program is about access to people, to companies, to city, to an ecosystem that just doesn't exist anywhere else in combination. We are the only standalone master in nanomedicine in the United States built around a real industry co-op, a full paid 6-month placement at companies.
There is huge demand in this field, and many of them want the students from our lab who have specially received training in the experiential capstone, which gives the students hands-on training in the lab.
We have our own Nanomedicine Innovation Center where students actually do high-end research. I've spent years and years doing high-end research in nanomedicine, drug delivery, and what I bring to my students isn't textbook knowledge. It is the know-how, the bench-level understanding of how things work.
The faculty in this program, nanomedicine program, is very passionate about research, is passionate about innovation, and also we lay a lot of emphasis on entrepreneurship. We are there to, share our enthusiasm with students, and students actually really love that, and they are like a family to us. So
I would say nanomedicine to me is the beauty of what you can change in the human body. In general, we may be heading to developing new cancer vaccines, more optimized personalized medicine and treatments. We are integrating AI tools and methods directly into our coursework, and we are training our students to engage into this evolving field of nanomedicine research.